Hi, I'm Kevin Kreiser, CEO of Datacamo. Today I'm going to show you how to get your new Datacamo box correctly plugged into your modem when you already have a Wi-Fi router in your home. In order to do this, we need to start by identifying which box is our modem. It's the box that comes to you from your ISP or internet service provider, and generally it will have a coax cable going into the back of it. Sometimes we call this a TV cable. Now that we've identified the modem, we want to make sure that our new Datacamo box sits in between your Wi-Fi router and the modem. The reason for this is we need to make sure 100% of your internet traffic is encrypted before it hits the ISP's network. So now, in order to do this, we take our included green cable and we plug it into port number 1 on the Datacamo box, right where the arrow is drawn. The other end of this will go into the modem, and in this case, I need to unplug my existing Wi-Fi router to make space. If there's more than one kind of port on your modem, simply plug it into any open LAN port, L-A-N. Now that we have the Datacamo box plugged directly into the modem, we can add back the existing Wi-Fi. The other end of this cable will go into any open port on the Datacamo box. This is the setup that we want to see. Now we can go and add power by plugging in the power supply and the other end into the wall. You now need to cycle the power by unplugging and replugging in the modem and also your existing Wi-Fi router. Once you've done that, you're ready to activate your account. Thank you.